Hello and welcome to day 27 of Bedtime Welsh. So if you've stuck with it this far, you've done a huge amount of work. Well done. Now we're building up for a grand climax tomorrow. We're going to have a couple of monster sentences for tomorrow. So here are some warm-up big old phrases for you today. So let's kick off with, or do you need to work more?
Neu wyt ti angen gweithio mwy?
Neu wyt ti angen gweithio mwy? Okay, now how about, do you want to play something interesting with me now?
Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth diddorol hefo fi rŵan?
Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth diddorol efo fi rŵan? Oh, hey, just joking to death here, don't mind me. I want to speak Welsh with you.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg hefo chdi.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi. And if that felt comparatively easy, well, that's a huge amount of improvement you've done in the last couple of weeks. And then finally for today, but I can't remember what I wanted to say.
Ond fedra I ddim cofio beth o'n I isio dweud.
Ond fedra I ddim cofio beth o'n I isio dweud. Okay, well done, and I hope you're making mistakes in there, because if you're not going fast enough. Now tomorrow we got some monsters for you. See if you can figure out in advance what the biggest sentences are going to be tomorrow. See if you can make them between now and then before we even give you the prompts. Okay, see you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.